Ever wondered what goes on inside an ant colony? We usually only see them marching on the surface, but the real action is happening right beneath our feet. Today, we're getting an exclusive look, thanks to some incredible new technology. Researchers have fitted a tiny camera onto an ant, turning it into our very own explorer. Watch as our little hero ventures into the darkness of the nest. Its tiny light reveals a bustling underground city. Look at that. Hundreds of ants are busy at work, some carrying food, others carefully tending to the next generation of eggs and larvae. Whoa, it's found a huge crumb. The camera is shaking as it struggles to drag the prize back. But look, it's not alone for long. The ants rush over to help. This is teamwork in its purest form, all working together for the good of the colony. Absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible peeks into the natural world.